How to convert an MS Word file into a PDF. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can convert an MS Word document into a PDF file. So for this particular operation we will be utilizing a free online converter tool which will help us convert the Word file into a PDF file. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Just open any web browser and simply search for I love PDF. Once you have searched for I love PDF, you can see the first website that goes by the link ilovepdf.com. So simply click onto this first link and you will be greeted with this home screen. Now, using this free tool, we will be able to perform this particular operation, and it also contains other PDF operations as well. So simply click onto this convert PDF option and from here choose the Word to PDF option. So once you will click onto this, you will be landed into a new page, and from here you need to click onto this select Word files option, using which you can select those particular Word files that you want to convert into a PDF using the file manager. So click here and it will open the file manager. So let's say I want this Word file, as you can see here, to be converted into a PDF. So simply select the file, or you can also select multiple files as well, and then click onto this open button. Once you will do this, you can see that the Word file has been successfully loaded into the website interface. Then you need to click onto this convert to PDF button. So once you'll click onto this convert to PDF button, it says converting to PDF and the Word file has been successfully converted to PDF. Then you need to click onto this download PDF button and the download has been successfully completed. So let's open up this PDF file, and now you can see that our Word file has been successfully converted into a PDF. So that's how easily you can convert any Word file into a PDF file. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.